Tá dansa Gaelach mar chud lárnach de éireacht chultúrtha na hÉireann leis na cinnte. Náid tá dlúhaint ag an dansa leis an cheol Gaelach, rud a chiallaíonn go bhfuil spiridón agus tá craíonn rud a haitníonn go mór leis na Gael.
Tá Gael an láidir idir an ceol agus an rince.
Irish music alone will make you dance.
Although it was originally founded by the Gaelic League in 1883, the touring shows are to be thanked for bringing Irish dancing to the world stage. They gave it a new lease of life and created a worldwide phenomenon.
Irish dancing wasn't the coolest thing to do, and it was often the butt of jokes. Some people thought it was great because it was Irish, and then some people just thought it was ridiculous. Why would you want to do that? I think Riverdance changed that by bringing it to a world stage and by Irish people seeing that the outside world thought this was something cool. I think it possibly gave Irish people the confidence to say, yeah, it is actually cool and it is something we should be proud of.
Rinne aithnar an dansa Gaelach margheall na show na staite Riverdance agus Lord of the Dance. An anastáibh ní léiríonn na show na splódartha seo ach git a big den scéal farsing a bhainneann na cúrsaí dansa néireann sa leat aniuan. Sé tá sa dansa tradiisianta anois na dansa seanós, step, dansaí seit, dansaí céalaí agus gréthaí eile fitte fúte phríomha seo. Ach cas a danig na cinnealathe dansa seo lig.
Ní mór an féanna sé going ó héobh tús an dansa in Éireann. Gan dát bhí na hÉireannig i rince, agus a bhí sé ag rince gur beidir rudí sosialtas mar sin de, ach níl an tós going ó héobh cén sais rince de bhí gceist, nó an na stepna de bhíocha, nó na choirí de bhí ionta.
Tá sé de le rá go dtí mar a bhí na céad dansaí seo, ach de réir mar a dorbar agus a das pobl agus cultúr na hÉireann is amhlaí a dorbar agus a das na cinnealathe dansaí a bhí a ghlaachtóin. Deirtear go bhfuil an dansa step cheann den na dansaí is mó stíle agus casta dá bhfuil an fud na cruinne sa leat aniuan.
I think Irish is one of the hardest styles of dance.
What's the reasoning behind the arms jammed to the sides with the super fast legs?
Okay, well, when the British occupied Ireland, they kind of outlawed dancing. And so the Irish people outwitted them by the doors that closed only on the bottom, and then they decided to dance without using their upper bodies so that when the soldiers walked by, they wouldn't know that they were still dancing.
Oh, I didn't know that. Wow, didn't know that at all.